guys, welcome to Drone Canada. My name's Jeff Shaw. I started this channel because I wanted to document my journey going from a complete noob droner all the way up to a certified drone pilot here in Canada. This channel will feature tips and tricks, real life stories, and fails. So many fails, but that's how we learn, right? So, but more importantly, I don't want this to just be about me. I want this to be about us. I want to build a community of droners. I want to have fun with this. I want to learn as much as I can as well. So use the community tab, ask questions, comment, request video ideas, call me out, whatever it is. So if that sounds cool to you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the skies. Fly safe.